kí la rí gbọ́ ètò tí a fi ọ̀nà àrà gbé kalẹ̀ fún ìgbádùn ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa láti mú àwọn òṣèré jàǹkànjàǹkàn súnmọ́ yín pẹ́kípẹ́kí fún ìròyìn tó perégedé bó ṣe ń lọ lójú agbo àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
I'm the bunch of skippers like Jamaican friends call me Capella, like my South Africans call me the Coco Master. A cowboy, so to you. Killer Aibo, Killer Iribo, Killer Fetubo. You really don't touch the die. They about touch here.
monkey in this place. He stole the money, so he's in high. Pastor Well.
Really funny song. Title of the song is When Breeze Blow From Your Hands Go Open.
And then thank you, goodbye, you go home. When you want to put me in this spot and you are sitting here and nobody's trickling out, which I do not understand.
Together, you said you cared about me. You promised me. You said that you will always love me. Soon the doubt started to set in. You're taking my love for granted. Spending late nights forgetting our anniversary. Sing for all your lies, sing for all your smiles. You were out sleeping with your secretary. When breeze blow, our voyage go open. When breeze blow, our voyage go open. It go See, I totally trusted you. I held on to every single little thing that you told me, boo. Why did you let me down? You took my heart and smashed it on the ground. Yeah. Soon the doubts start to set in. I see you taking my love for granted. You spending late nights forgetting our anniversary. Yeah. See you through all your lies, see you through all your smiles. That you were out sleeping with your secretary. What do I do? Oh yes, go bingo, bingo. Oh yes, go bingo, bingo. Oh yes, go. What you hide, go. Oh yes, go. Don't do things behind the bar now, 'cause one day you go. Oh yes, go. Hey, oh yes, go bingo, bingo, bingo.
still try. I mean, that year, and I'm winning now. So, yeah. So, I want to thank you all. Please put your hands together for.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm doing another one of this again. I did one at Terra Culture.
Love for you to be there because that one will be more rotten than this. You know, this is exactly. I really minded my words. That one I was just on my husband so that I saw the rotten thing. I want to say, and if I had to back there for him, I would also abuse him to love. Do you understand? But I would also
Mo wà ń bí.
Kí la rí gbọ́.
Ẹ máa wẹ̀ máa fọ́n.
Ó lẹ ti ń gbọ́ ẹ.
Ẹ dúró ń bẹ̀ fẹ́ wọ.
Bá mi ò dán mọ́rán bọ̀ ẹ má ní jẹ́.
Kí la rí gbọ́ náà.
Ṣé ti gbọ́?
Kí lẹ gbọ́. Dèrèlé ló pariwo ẹ̀yin tèmi ó yá ẹ máa gbé lọ.